Hello, good morning. Today, I will be talking about our subject, effective oral communication. Making appointment is the material that we will discuss. The material will be divided into subtopics to make it easier to understand. The first subtopic is general description. Second subtopic is making appointment. Third subtopic is confirming an appointment. Fourth subtopic is canceling appointment. 5. Subtopic is common phrases. And to train our abilities, we will provide exercise in this material. Let's go straight to the initial general description material. Let's take a look at the following slide. In this slide, we can see about general description making appointment. General description. Appointment itself means an arrangement to meet someone at a particular time and place. Setting and handling appointment is must for those learning business English and requires some basic organizational skills. After understanding the meaning of making appointment, we will enter into the next material on slide 2. Let's understand together a subtopic about making appointment. In the slide 2, I want to tell you about making appointment. When making an appointment, you should give the person your name and the reason for wanting an appointment. You should also ask the amount of time the appointment will take and if you should expect a wait time prior to the appointment. Well, we process to the next material confirming an appointment. After making appointment, we must confirming an appointment. In this slide, we can now about the confirming an appointment. Always make sure that you confirm appointment when you make them. When you make an appointment by phone, be sure to confirm the appointment by repeating the date and time of the meeting back to the other party and asking if that is correct. This should be one of the last things you do prior to ending the conversation. Okay, we will know about confirming an appointment. In the slide, we process to the next material for how canceling an appointment in business. For the canceling an appointment in business is cancel as soon after you discover there is a problem as possible. Try to reschedule the appointment before ending the call or at the end of the email. And the last material, but not least, about the common phrases. 1. Asking to meet. You can use are you, same like, available on blank 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 or next blank blank blank. And the second, you can use free on blank blank blank. You can say something or next blank blank blank. And if you want asking to meet, can we meet on blank 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 or next blank blank blank? Would next blank 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 be okay? And what about next blank blank blank? And is next okay? And in this part, or in this slide, I will tell you about common process to making appointment. The two is responding to an appointment. You can say yes, bang 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 is fine. Yes, would be fine. Or sweet me, or would be perfect. Or if you're not responding, you can say I'm afraid, I'm sorry, or I cannot on bang bang bang. Or you can say I want to be able to bang 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 on bang bang bang. And you can say I really don't think I can. And this is slide about common process to canceling an appointment. The first is unfortunately, due to some unforeseen business, I will be unable to keep our appointment for tomorrow afternoon. Second, you can say, would it be possible to arrange another time later in the week? The third, you can say, I'm afraid that I have to cancel our meeting on Wednesday as something unexpected has come up. And in this slide, you can see about the exercise. The exercise is do a role play with your classmate using below scenario. And the scenario is you're calling to make an appointment to your vendor company, XYZ company, to do yearly audit and your classmate will act as the secretary. In summary, about chapter 4 making appointment is the conclusion of making appointment is highly contrasted by all mobilizers of companies, organization, communities, or others. Making appointment is intended so that the appointment can be arranged properly and correctly and the client can agree to the agreement. To do see, we must understand some point of making appointment that have been described, namely general description, making appointment, canceling an appointment, and common process in making appointment that are good and correct. With this material, it is expected that we can easily make appointment properly and correctly.